So guys, we are going to Snowdonia in Wales. Come with me. We have driven nearly 2 hours from London now. We have stopped at a service station in Gloucester. Let's go in and check what they have. Now we just stopped at a service and now we're gonna have breakfast. So we have some mac and cheese here, fries and some pea. I've also got some brownies. Tastes really good, a 10 out of 10 for me. So good. Guys, with the salt, amazing. I love this so much. This is the farm shop and have the produce from local farmers. I thought maybe before we go to Snowdonia, we're gonna have some gelato. When I saw it in the shop, I was like, I wanna have some gelato. Let's try some gelato. This one's really different to when I've had the other ones in the past. I'd say 9.5 out of 10. Amazing. Now, let's head to Snowdonia. Bye. So guys, we found this little town called Hay-on-Wye. We're gonna take a little walk and see the small village. Come with me. Hay-on-Wye is also known as Town of Books, as there are many bookshops here. There's a famous Thursday market happening here. They're selling a lot of antiques here. So guys, we're gonna go upstairs and check the Hay Castle. Come with me. It feels like I'm so high right now and I'm about to fall down. Let's check the Hay Castle. It looks so big. This is someone's private garden and they made it public so some people can see the amazing garden. So guys, we got the vegetarian pizza because they didn't have any halal, but we found this one. Let's try it. Honestly, with that, it's really good. The cheese is so good. There's a really different type of cheese in that. Really chewy. We bought this from the pizza box over there. I think I give it a 9.5 out of 10. So guys, on the way, we found the sunset. We really enjoyed driving around in south of Wales, so we decided to stop here for a night.